Okay, dear children, now we are seeing about next pair. Okay, so dear students, and all of you know that first lesson. Okay, so as we saw in the last chapter, the crisis in the Western world had led to the outbreak of World War First. Okay, so the crisis means, and most of the problems the Western world had led to the outbreak of World War First. So next we now turn to the social and political development in the world after the end of the war. Okay, so this time social and political and economically development in the world after the end of the war. The Great Depression. So the Great Depression means economical depressions. Okay, the development in the post-World War First. The First World War led to the expansion of certain industries in the hope that the wartime boom would continue. However, when the war came to an end, the industries that grew to meet wartime requirements had to be abandoned or modified. Okay, so the First World War led to the expansion of certain industries, and most of the industries expansion at the time. So in the hope of the industries that the wartime boom and would continue, and that the wartime booming and success would continue. However, when the war came to an end, most of the industries that grew to meet wartime requirements. So all the requirements and made of and abundant or modified. Huge stocks had to be disposed. So all the things and also stocks and disposed of, and large number of workers had to be sacked. So large number of workers sack means dismiss. Okay, and this spread dissatisfaction among the working class. So bred dissatisfaction means, and பெருமளவில் வந்து the working class peoples என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்க is not satisfied that time. So the situation was made worse. So this situations most of the peoples and dismissed that time. So this situation was made worst by the political complication caused by the Treaty of Versailles. So a new wave and Treaty of Versailles and forming a new way of economic nationalism which expressed itself in protectionism. So this Treaty of Versailles only expressed protectionism or in tariff barriers affected world trade. So tariff barriers means official list sharing tax. Okay, so the mari vari sunga vari, a new way of economic nationalism, so which express itself protectionism or tariff barriers affected world trade. So trade levels all the one is affected. The war also placed a heavy burden. So the First World War also placed a heavy burden of debt on every European countries. And heavy burden of debt. Okay, all the European countries and also affected, economically affected that time. Next one, withdrawal of American capital. At the end of the World War First, America was financially in a sound position. So this time, end of the World War First, America financially is a very strong position. Okay, as the money lent to the America encouraged the flow of capital into Europe. And this time America entered the war as a debted country, but it emerged as the money lender to the world in the aftermath of the war. Okay, so this time America money lender countries. So as the money lender to the world, America encouraged the flow of capital into Europe. So America helped the European debted countries. Okay, America கடன் கொடுக்கக்கூடிய நாடாக இருக்கு. So America helped the European debted countries. The capital outflow also found outlet in new investment. America found outlet in new investment. நியூவாக முதலீடு போடுது. நம்ம ஒரு கம்பெனி ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறோம், அதுக்கு எவ்வளோ அமௌண்ட்டு போடுறோமோ அதுக்கு அதிகமான பணம் எடுத்தால் தான் நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான அளவு ப்ராஃபிட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். இப்போ இதில் என்ன பண்ணுது? பட் திஸ் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் yielded profits only after a period. Okay, so the capital outflow also found outlet, and America found outlet in new investment, but this investment yielded profits only after a period. So in meantime, America another slump in the US economy force, and slump means economically depression. So America, so economically depression in the US economy forced the government, so the government to impose restriction on export of capital. Why? What is the reason the government to impose restriction on the export of capital? So that time America economically affected. This resulted in a deep decline. So இதோட result என்ன? This resulted in a steep decline in the volume and value of export all over the world. So இதோட ரிசல்ட் என்ன? டெக்ளைன் இன் வால்யூம் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்போர்ட் ஆல் ஓவர். அதோட வந்து ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் அதோட எக்கனாமிக்கலி டெக்ளைன் ஆகிடுச்சு. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட் கிராஷ் இன் த யூஎஸ். ஓகே, ஸோ கிராஷ் மீன்ஸ் அண்ட் அட்டர் ரூயின். ஸோ அட்டர் ரூயின் மீன்ஸ் ஃபால் சடன்லி. ஓகே, இதோட ஸ்டாக் மார்க்கெட் ஃபுல்லும் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? அட்டர் ரூயின் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ அனதர் மீனிங் அண்ட் ஃபால் சடன்லி இன் த யூஎஸ்ஏ. ஓகே, ஸோ த withdrawal of American capital was aggravated, and aggravated means and very worst, and by the US markets crash in 1929. So US market very worst that time. The first huge crash and fall suddenly. Huge means very affected, and crash occurred on 24th October 1929. The first huge crash fall suddenly occurred on 24th October 1929. So this discouraged investors and consumers to such an extent that more and more people begin to sell their share and dispose of their stocks. Okay, and for example, nowadays is critically corona situations, and all the people economically is affected that time. ஸோ அண்ட் இன்வெஸ்டர்ஸ் அண்டு கன்சியூமர்ஸ் அண்டு முதலீடு பண்ணவங்க, வாடிக்கையாளர்கள் எல்லாருமே இதனால் அஃபெக்ட் ஆகிறாங்க. அப்போ வந்து அவங்க யூஸ் பண்ண மேடாக பண்ண திங்ஸ்லாம் என்னாகும்? ஸ்டாக்காக இருக்கும். அந்த ஸ்டாக் பண்ண திங்ஸை நம்ம என்ன பண்ண மாட்டோம்? வாங்க மாட்டோம். அப்போ என்ன? பட் தேர் வேர் நோ பையர்ஸ். ஸோ திஸ் வாஸ் ஃபாலோட் பை ஃபெயிலியர். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி வந்து அதோட எக்கனாமிக்கலி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ். ஸோ இன் அவர் வேர்ல்ட் இஸ் வெரி அஃபெக்டட் தட் டைம். ஸோ this encourage investors and consumers to such an extent that more and more people begin to sell their shares and dispose of their stocks. அவங்க சேல்ஸ் பண்ண வர்றாங்க, பட்டு there were no buyers. வாங்குறதுக்கு யாரும் ரெடியாக இல்லை. So this was followed by the failure of American banks. The American financiers were forced to recall their own fund invested abroad, but the stoppage of loans. ஆனால் இவங்களோட லோனை ஃபுல்லும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? ஸ்டாப்பேஜ் பண்ணுறாங்க. The stoppage of loans to Germany by America led to the failure of two largest German banks. ஸோ அமெரிக்கா அதோட லோனை ஃபுல்லும் ஸ்டாப்பேஜ் பண்ணுது. அப்போது ஜெர்மனியோட பேங்க்ஸ் ஃபுல்லும் என்ன ஆகுது? ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகுது. ஓகேயா? the stoppage of loans to Germany by America led to the failure of two large German banks. Okay, next the Bank of England also found itself bankrupt. So bankrupt means and England bank also. So England bank என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? திவால் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ and bankrupt means one who is unable to clear his debt. Okay, so this time and stock market crash in the USA. Okay, thank you.